Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of the eBuilder Update. We have another guest today. We have Marlon Hidalgo, who is going to tell us a little bit more about eBuilder. So Marlon, thank you for joining us.
Yeah, thank you for having me here today.
Of course. So let's jump right into it. So I understand that you took a course in eBuilder and you're a certified operator now. Can you just tell me a little bit about that experience?
Yeah, so I took a course in eBuilder. The course actually consists of six different subjects about eBuilder, system terminology. A lot of one of the courses was really intuitive. It helped me learn a lot of different things. But not only that, it also helps me provide the support that's needed for the different end users, not only to troubleshoot, but to just answer any questions or concerns that anyone that's using the system may have.
So throughout your time taking that course and just using the system, what would you say some of the strengths of the new system are?
Oh, of course. Some of the strengths of eBuilder would definitely be that it's highly process driven. You have a lot of different documentation that you can view in the system that basically stays within the system. The system provides on-time notifications about the projects and different statuses if anything changes within the project. Not only that, you can also view financial data in the cost module. You can view reports and you can view dashboards, which is great for visuals, and especially for end users that are looking for specific information.
So another thing that people may be thinking about as we're preparing to use the system is, is it going to be easy to use? Is it intuitive? From your perspective, do you think someone just picking it up would find it to be easy to use?
I believe that the system is very intuitive and is easy to use, especially eBuilder's interface. You have different tabs in the system where you can look up your projects, your documents, your reports, your dashboards, which is very easy to find. And not only that, it's very accessible. If you know what the project that you're currently working on, you can just click on that project and you'll be able to view all the different information that's available to you in eBuilder.
So, even though it has these strengths and even though it's easy to use, do you foresee people having any kind of difficulties using the system?
I feel that there's going to be minor difficulties. I do have a great team that I'm working along with, which is the MyPath group, and I'm sure they'll be able to transition end users to be able to use the system to the full capabilities.
Awesome. And is there any sort of particular feature about eBuilder that's like your favorite, or do you think that it's gonna be the best reason for switching over to it?
Yeah, I feel that the best feature that eBuilder has is probably the My Home tab. In the My Home tab, end users will be able to view the project information, such as the project name, the subject of the project, the instance of the project, the step that the project is currently in, how many days has it been on that instance, who submitted that project, and when was the date that the project was submitted, and a lot more information that can be populated on end user request.
Well, thank you, Marlon, for coming on and for telling us about eBuilder and some of its features. And everyone else, stay tuned for more information about eBuilder in the future.
It's good to know that eBuilder end users will have robust in-house technical support. In the next episode, Dave Schultz and Loretta Deloach will discuss the PRF process and how it interacts with eBuilder. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.